Ah, welcome. Tonight, we discuss electricity, invisible chaos inside your walls. That little socket on your wall looks harmless, doesn't it? Two tiny openings, quiet, patient, pretending it is not connected to one of the most complicated delivery systems humans have ever built. Because before electricity reaches that socket, it may begin far away at a power station, travel across giant transmission towers, pass through transformers, enter your neighborhood, sneak into your walls, and finally arrive just in time for your phone to hit 3%. A noble mission, really. A brave system, a dangerous system, a deeply human system. Most electricity begins with one beautifully simple idea. Make something move, then turn that movement into electrical energy. Sometimes that movement comes from steam pushing a turbine, sometimes from water rushing through a dam, sometimes from wind spinning giant blades, and sometimes, with solar panels, sunlight is converted directly into electricity without the whole spinning drama. But in many power stations, the classic trick is this: spin a turbine, spin a generator, and let movement become power. Humans found many ways to make things spin, then said, "Excellent, now let the spinning feed the toaster." Once electricity is created, it usually has a small problem. It is not always created near the people who want to use it. Very inconvenient. So it has to travel. And for long-distance travel, electricity is sent through huge transmission lines at very high voltage, because high voltage helps reduce energy loss along the way. That is why those giant towers stretch across hills, fields, forests, and cities. They are not just dramatic metal skeletons decorating the landscape. They are highways for invisible energy. Think of it like delivery. Same package, different roads. And please, do not lick the wires. But here is the next problem. The electricity that travels across long distances is far too powerful to casually stroll into your living room. Your phone charger does not need the full drama of a transmission line. So before electricity reaches homes and businesses, it passes through transformers. Some transformers step the voltage up, helping electricity travel more efficiently over long distances. Others step the voltage down, making it suitable for neighborhoods, buildings, and everyday devices. Think of transformers as electricity's wardrobe department. Same energy, more appropriate outfit. After the voltage is reduced, electricity moves into the distribution system. This is the more local part of the journey. Smaller power lines, poles, underground cables, local transformers, and all the quiet infrastructure most people ignore until the lights go out. From there, electricity reaches your building. Then your home's wiring carries it through walls and ceilings to switches, lights, fans, chargers, refrigerators, and every other object humans have convinced to obey invisible energy. Which is impressive. Also slightly suspicious. Domestic lightning. Surprisingly obedient. Most of the time. So what is your wall socket, really? It is not the source of electricity, it is just the access point. Behind it are wires connected to your home's electrical system. When you plug something in and switch it on, you complete a path that lets electrical energy flow into the device. Then the device does the clever part. It converts that electrical energy into something useful. Light, heat, motion, sound, cooling, charging. Or, in the case of your phone, the sacred ability to scroll again. So, no, your wall socket is not magic. It is the final stop of a giant, invisible journey. Humans made lightning domestic, somehow.